Hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to track your food using an app calculator. There's so many apps online that you could use. My personal favorite was MyFitnessPal, but now they're charging you to use the barcode feature, which I do not agree with. So my second favorite app that now I use is called MyNetDiary. It has a green apple on it. So I'm gonna walk you through how to track your food. It is so simple and easy. It is not tedious. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. So go ahead and download MyNetDiary if you don't have it downloaded already. And I'm literally gonna walk you through how to track your food. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna log into MyNetDiary. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the little green apple. So it is really, really simple. There's two ways how to track your food once you're at the homepage. First thing you can do is the plus sign at the bottom, or you can literally hit breakfast right here, the 0. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit this little barcode feature right here. So I'm gonna track my breakfast, which is cream of rice. You're gonna hit the barcode and there it goes. It pops up so simple. So all you have to do now is pretty much type in the servings that you had. So the serving size, which is really important, you need to read the nutrition facts. It says 1/4 cup, which is 45 grams, is 35 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein, and 0 grams of fat. So typically I do 1/4 cup. So you can either click it here, or let me delete this. You can literally just type it in 1 and then do the /4 cup. And then you're gonna hit log. So that's your breakfast right there. And then I also like to do a scoop of protein powder in my cream of rice. So I'm gonna teach you, if you don't wanna scan your food, you can also search it. And what I love about MyNetDiary is once you scan something, it saves in the history. So you're gonna hit this plus sign, and then this is your history from things that you've, scanned in the past. So I'm gonna hit the cookies and cream protein powder from Prestige Lab, and then I'm gonna hit done, and then you're gonna hit log at the top, and then there you have it, the protein powder as well. And then I also like to add in a tablespoon of peanut butter. So we'll go ahead and scan that again. And then there you have it. And then I usually do about 1 tablespoon. Right here it says 2 tablespoons serving size, it's 32 grams. I only like to do 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna click 1 and then I'm gonna hit log. And there's my breakfast, folks. And then I typically do water with my cream of rice. So that's why I didn't add in any type of milk. And then to see the breakdown, you're gonna hit back and then you're gonna click on view all meals. And there's my breakfast. And then your lunch, your dinner, and your snacks will also pop up. But if you scroll down more, this is the breakdown of your macros. So my breakfast was 26 grams of protein, 46 grams of carbs, and then 10 grams of fat.